at this. This is crazy. Oh. I said a little bit loud. All right, so we are here. Man, we're about to head back down to the strip here at Pigeon Forge. I'm actually just enjoying the views out here at the cabin, guys. There's a lot of beautiful places here in Pigeon Forge, and there's a lot of awesome things that you can do here in Pigeon Forge whenever you come down for the car races, even if you're just coming down just with some friends and family and stuff. And I put a few footage. If you guys have never been here to Pigeon Forge or Sevierville, there's this, you know, Dollywood is here. There's just so much going on. Go-kart racing, putt-putting golf, there's movies, there's theme parks, there are KO campgrounds, so much to do. I could go on and on and on and on. And there's also live shows. If you like big shows, like if you go to Vegas or either New York City, when you see these shows on TV and stuff, the same type of live shows here in Pigeon Forge as well. And you can do like a movie and a dinner or a show and a dinner. It's awesome, man. We're just having a blast down here. The weather's a little chilly this year for the Raw Run show, but hey, man, once you're looking at all these nice cars and you run into old friends and stuff, you don't worry about the weather. You like a little kid in the candy store, you know. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and head back downtown. We'll probably end up at the Lakota Center, go inside, walk around, see what kind of new stuff they got for these hot rods and stuff, and maybe we can run across some really cool hot rods ourselves. So hey, let's go ahead and you know, get down there. We don't want to miss out on anything, man. So we're gonna, since it's a little chilly and a little nippy right now, so we're not gonna take the Tesla downtown Pigeon Forge today, meaning our golf cart. We're not gonna take the golf cart today. We're gonna go ahead and take the vehicle, guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. Too many of these down here. Old Viper. Hey, a little rain ain't gonna stop Let's Go Mars Garage, guys, because if they're down here, we're gonna find them. It looks just like that black. It looks just like a snake too, boy. That mob is tight too. Dang, there's been a lot of green trucks. Let's check this one out here. I tell you what, I like that two-tone. 68K. Hey, is this what these trucks going for? I tell you, got a nice paint job on it. Really nice paint job. Really nice. I like that. That's clean. That's really clean. I tell you what, you don't see too many clean Fords like this, man. She's clean, buddy. 53. I like this a lot. About a 53? Yeah. There. I don't even have to say it. You guys already know. Now I'll tell you what, now look at this here. And this is very different. It's got his gas cap back up in here. Now this is this is like one of the old, this is like the 70s bed liner tray. He got old steel truck bed liner back here. That's really different there. Everything boxed in. I like that. Tell you what, I wouldn't be selling this baby here, man. Not a nick, a chip on it. Interior is sweet. Got air ride system in here. Dolphin gauges. Corvette steering wheel. Wow, I like that. All right, guys, we're out here getting it. We're getting that late night footage. It's actually not night, it's just getting dark. It's been raining all day. But like I said, a little bit of rain is not gonna stop us, man. You know, we'll probably finish this video tomorrow. We'll go to the center and go inside, and we'll get all the nice cars that they got in there for show. So let's go ahead and see if we can find some more cool stuff out here, man. Still haven't found that gem. Now the first day though, we did find a 53 Chevy. It was like a root beer and black. Go to that first video. So far that was a sweet truck, man, really sweet. And don't forget about old Rusty 71. Now that was a sweet one as well. I just want to try to find something different, you know. Oh, I don't want to forget. I want to give a big shout out to old Motor Mike. I haven't ran into him. We actually been texting and talking to each other on the phone. But I normally meet up with him and his wife. But hey, big shout out to you, buddy. He just brought another dart down here at the Rod Run show. Can't wait to see it in person. He actually went trolling it back home already. So he's been sending me some pictures of that dart. And she looks pretty good. So congratulations, Mike. Hope to see it real soon. Now I seen this right here on the road earlier. It's for sale. And they will actually drive this thing. Look at that. Popper Fishing Supply. We're gonna go ahead and head back the other way, maybe cross the street over here, and see what else we can find. If we don't find anything worth putting it on camera, we're gonna catch up tomorrow at the La Quinta Center in Sevierville, and we're gonna finish this video tomorrow. Peace. Boy, I tell you guys, this has been the craziest Rod Run show ever. I mean, I'm down here at the cabin, and it is pouring down, snowing, guys. Look at this. This is crazy. Let me show you guys this view. It's beautiful up here in the mountains, though. But I tell you, golly, man, what a crazy day. We was about to head down to the strip, and next thing you know, it started pouring down raining on us. This is gonna be a heck of a day today, man. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, so we finally made it to the La Quinta Center. So we're inside here at the Rod Run show. We're gonna get some dry footage today. So we're gonna be inside the building, and let's see what they got. See what they got any cool stuff in here. Maybe we can find some different parts for the truck. So let's go ahead and get our ticket and get in line. Let's get inside. Everybody trying to get out of the rain, man, so that's why it's so crowded and the lines are congested. But this is going to be a nice little show, man. Let's go ahead and look around. Got a little carbon there. That's a nice little touch there. Nice turbos. Alright, welcome back, crew. Hey guys, I got another special treat for you guys. Of course, it's all here raining, but this little gem here, Oldsmobile, I have the owner and we're gonna go over this vehicle. I recorded this vehicle yesterday when it was not raining, but we got some inside information, so hope you guys enjoy this video. Hang tight with me and I see you guys at the end of this video. Hey, what's going on, YouTube world? Hey, I'm here with Mr. Lee Talent. I just met him. Hey guys, and I told him I had to apologize because yesterday I filmed this vehicle and stuff and I didn't talk too much about it, but I found the man himself, Mr. Talent here, and we're going to talk a little bit about his vehicle. Could you introduce your name again and tell me a little bit about your truck?
So my name's Lee Talent. I'm from Young Harris, Georgia. That's my 1965 Olds Cutlass Sport Coupe. Bought it in Canada. It's never been across into the States till 11 years ago when I bought it and brought it over. It's built in Oshawa, Ontario. That car has been resto modded by me. I've replaced every part.
You do the paint too?
I did not do the paint and I did not do the upholstery.
Right, it looks sweet though.
Everything else. In the whole drivetrain, it's all resto modded. Tubulars, coilovers.
Wow.
Disc brakes from Willwood.
What about the engine there?
The engine's a 330 Oldsmobile engine came in. It still got steel heads, made 428 horsepower. Wow. It's all roller motor.
Wow.
Still runs on a Holly 650. It's got a five-speed Tremec, and it's got everything you can get on your new car.
I'll tell you now.
It's got heated. It's got air conditioning. It's got backup camera. It's got.
Oh, it got backup camera.
It's got one touch up and down power windows. It's got cruise control. It's got auto sensors for headlights, on off.
Just like riding a brand new vehicle.
It's a new vehicle in an old car.
Now, is this your first show that you brought this to?
It is.
Now,
It is.
Okay, now do you work on anything else besides that one particular?
Well, I do.
You got something in the works?
I've got a 65 El Camino that's it's a great driver right now. I've run a long haul power tour on it once. I'm about to pull the motor on it and do some upgrades to the drivetrain as far as get some more power going.
All right.
And I've got a 1969 Corvette too, so I'm a GM guy.
Well, hey, Mr. Talent, I tell you what, I really just want to appreciate you taking the time out of your day to sit here and talk to me about that sedan, and we're gonna put it on the YouTube so people can enjoy it just like I did. So I just want to say thank you, and I appreciate that build.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, you have a good day.
All right.
All right, guys, we're down here at the Lacana Center. We just got through interviewing Mr. Talent. He did a wonderful job with that video, and he also did a wonderful job with that Oldsmobile. So you guys make sure you leave a lot of comments down below. Tell me what you think of Mr. Talent's ride, guys. He did an awesome job. So we're about to get out of here for the day. And we're gonna go ahead and head back to the compound, and we're gonna wrap these videos up, and I'm gonna try to make sure I get them posted tonight or tomorrow. So like I tell everybody, guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.